Aerial yoga and tips. Elevate your practice and mind. Aerial yoga is a modern, dynamic practice that combines traditional yoga poses, Pilates, and acrobatics using a suspended silk hammock. This unique form of yoga enhances physical strength and flexibility and introduces a sense of weightlessness and fun. Whether you're curious about starting aerial yoga or looking to refine your practice, these tips will help you make the most of your time in the hammock. What is aerial yoga? Aerial yoga uses a fabric hammock suspended from the ceiling to support and enhance yoga poses. It's suitable for all fitness levels and offers numerous benefits. 1. Improves flexibility. The hammock allows for deeper stretches without strain. 2. Builds strength. Holding poses in suspension engages the core and upper body muscles. 3. Enhances balance. The instability of the hammock improves body awareness and stability. 4. Eases joint pressure. The support of the hammock reduces stress on joints, making it accessible for many. 5. Encourages relaxation. Inversions and gentle sways provide a calming and meditative experience. Benefits of aerial yoga. 1. Spinal decompression. Hanging upside down in supported inversions can relieve pressure on the spine. 2. Full body workout. Aerial yoga activates multiple muscle groups simultaneously. 3. Stress relief. The playful nature of the practice and soothing movements help reduce anxiety. 4. Postural improvement. Strengthening core muscles supports better posture over time. 5. Confidence boost. Achieving challenging poses in the hammock can improve self-esteem. Tips for a safe and enjoyable aerial yoga practice. 1. Choose the right class and instructor. 1. Start with beginner classes. Ensure the class matches your skill level. 2. Certified instructors. Look for instructors with proper aerial yoga training to guide you safely. 3. Ask questions. Don't hesitate to seek clarification on poses or techniques. 2. Wear the right clothing. 1. Form-fitting clothes. Avoid loose clothing that may get tangled in the hammock. 2. Cover your skin. Wear leggings and sleeves to prevent fabric burns. 3. Avoid zippers or jewelry. These can damage the hammock or cause discomfort. 3. Prepare your body. 1. Hydrate. Drink water before class to stay energized. 2. Eat lightly. A heavy meal can make inversions uncomfortable. 3. Stretch beforehand. Loosen up with light stretches to warm up your muscles. 4. Trust the hammock. 1. It's strong and secure. Aerial yoga hammocks are designed to support your weight. 2. Relax your grip. Allow the fabric to hold you without clinging tightly. 3. Practice confidence. Trusting the hammock helps you enjoy the practice entirely. 5. Focus on your core. 1. Engage your core muscles. This improves stability and control in suspended poses. 2. Start with simple movements. Build strength with beginner-friendly poses like plank or seated stretches. 6. Breathe and be present. 1. Control your breathing. Deep, steady breaths can reduce fear and enhance focus. 2. Stay mindful. Pay attention to your body and how it feels in each pose. Final thoughts. Aerial yoga is a beautiful fusion of strength, grace, and mindfulness. Whether you want to enhance your flexibility, build strength, or try something new, aerial yoga offers an enriching experience. Follow these tips to safely explore the world of aerial yoga and enjoy the journey of elevating your fitness and mind.